Well, Operation Tutula is here today to give support to Action SA under the umbrella of patriotism. As Operation Tutula, we are here to give them support to say, as South Africans, we are tired of people who are pushing drugs in our country, who are hijacking buildings, who are pushing prostitution. We are here to give him all the support and backing he needs. No, we're not surprised by the behavior of the system. I mean, we're seeing today what happened with the state capture, the Madlanga Commission, right? Everybody, the Zondo Commission, everybody who was implicated in the Zondo Commission is sitting in Parliament today. They are ministers. So we're not surprised that Xolani is being pushed out. Why should it be different with Xolani when we're having people who are implicated in the Zondo Commission? Why should we not be having Xolani? We want Xolani in Ekurhuleni to eradicate the problems that we are having as the city of Ekurhuleni and South African at large, which is drugs, prostitution, the hijacking of people's properties, the hijacking of buildings. We want that addressed, and we know because the current government is part and parcel of those cartels. They will not allow Xolani to eradicate those problems. So we're not surprised. No, South Africa currently is on autopilot. We do not have a government. We're not also surprised by the behavior of the president, who doesn't even respect the South African law himself, when he even had a currency of another country filling up his couches. So we are not moved by anything the president said in the State of the Nation. He's been saying that ever since he's been a president, and nothing has changed. In fact, since Ramaphosa has become a president, things have become worse. Companies are closing. The crime has went up. People are losing more jobs. Things are just collapsing. So we're not expecting any change under the ANC or Ramaphosa's presidency. No, nothing is moving us there. No, South Africans should just brace themselves, just like what happened prior 1994 when we were fighting for liberation, is that the National Party was arresting people who were fighting oppression. Right now it's the ANC that is arresting people who are fighting what is wrong in this country. So we're not shaken. We are standing in the cause. We are saying we will fight for this country, and we are pleading to South Africans that they are responsible in participating in the change of this country, meaning it's South Africans that need to vote differently and vote for leaders who understand their cries, who listen to them, who see them, because currently you've got a government that is actually advocating for everything that is non-South African. So South Africans should look for leaders who are prioritizing them, who speak to their concerns, who understand their issues, their struggles. So we should look for leaders who put South Africans first. The current leaders who are there to serve the globalist agenda should be voted out in the coming local government elections.
Right tsa rona and re kgathetse ke batho ba fitlang lefatsheng la bo rona ba fitlhe ba etse dintho tse illegal, and we don't even stand up. We are tired. Let's stand up for ourselves. Let's fight for ourselves. Let's fight for our country. Our children, they don't even get space for school anymore. We don't even get jobs. There's full of them in their factories and everywhere. We can't get jobs. People are expecting us to have experience from high school till at this age. We're still looking for a job, and they still tell you that they're looking for experience and all stuff. While the people from outside, they're here. They're doing a lot of illegal things, a lot of stuff that we don't like. But we're still here and not working. Our children are so in the streets because they don't get what they deserve and what they're supposed to be having. We don't have jobs. Where is our authority? Where is our spirit? Let's fight for each other. Let's support each other, South Africa. Big up with Mzansi. Please, let's fight for our rights. Xolani is right, and I'm behind Xolani 100%.